guys, it's your girl Slay LT and we are back for another video. This is going to be a quick Shein haul. I just wanted to come and show you guys this items. I was just going to not do a haul on this, but I am going to show you all what I ordered. And this is one of, so I'm back on my haul grind or whatever because I'm trying to get my fall clothes together, winter clothes together. I think from this haul, I'm going to start focusing more on DIYs and home improvement. I do have some other videos with some DIYs coming. You guys will see those soon, but let me just go ahead and get right into this because I only have a few minutes. So the first item I did get, a little small humidifier. I actually thought it was going to be bigger than this. It's a little cute humidifier, and it's just for my desk, something I could just have on my desk here. And I'm probably gonna take it out and show you guys some more on the next videos, but this is the humidifier, and I do have some cute oils that I'm gonna get soon, and it did come with the USB connection there. I'm gonna make this real quick. The second item is these fluffy shoes that I love. And I will show you guys in another video when I show these off or take them out or whatever, or wear them. You'll see them in another video. The next item, this is actually a bodysuit, and I'm actually going to take this out to show you all. It is a see-through bodysuit, so it's just something cute I can wear when I go out, when it's not too cold outside during the fall months. And I don't know what the hell this is. What is this? This is, oh, these are panties. I forgot I even purchased these. Yes, y'all, I'm gonna have to come back and tell y'all about these panties because, listen, I didn't know these were gonna look like this. Yeah, we're gonna have to do another haul, definitely. But let me just go through these right quick. This is another bodysuit that I purchased, and this is like a face printed bodysuit. This is super cute. Like this one. If y'all don't know by now, I love my bodysuits. They are so comfortable. These are some more panties. Yeah, I definitely have to come back and tell you how these are. These panties look really cheap, but yeah, and they were actually cheap. They were only like $3, I think it was. Yeah, these are made really cheap. So yeah, okay, Shein, y'all gotta step up y'all game. This bra that I wanted so badly. This is a push-up bra, and it's super small. I don't know who the hell this is gonna fit. I'm probably gonna have to give this away, because I'm not even going to waste my time trying to send it back. But, yeah. Yeah, this definitely won't fit my bag. I can't believe I purchased... Okay, so this is what I was actually looking for. This is like a controlled top girdle. So I'm going to see how this fits, unless you guys know about that. And I have this one more item, which is a cup warmer. This is what I really was looking forward to, a heating mug warmer to keep, just to have on my desk to keep my coffee and my tea warm, because I have to have my tea. I love my teas. And I actually think I have one more in here, and then I'm going to do second video in just a second. I told you guys this one was gonna be really quick. Yeah, so I will come back and you guys will see the second part of this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can check out the latest hauls that I have, reviews, all that good stuff, entertainment. It's your girl Slay LT. Don't forget the name. I have a lot of good things coming by the end of this year. So go ahead and check my vlog out and see if you guys, if you're interested in me doing any hauls or purchasing any clothes from any websites, let me know. And I will definitely hit you up. My email address is below, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.